Alright guys, we have another amazing treatment with the stem cell machine. That's the nickname. It's actually called tissue regenerative treatment. So with sacroiliac pain or SI joint pain, it's that joint right here. And it can be troublesome for chiropractors, physical therapists, definitely the patients that are dealing with it. It's an immobile joint, so it doesn't move very much. So it actually makes it more difficult to get better than, say, a kink in your neck or in your low back, because it just doesn't move. So it'll get inflamed, and there are a ton of nerve fibers in there, a ton of pain fibers, and as Beverly can tell you, it just totally alters your life, right? So she came in last week or a couple weeks ago. We've been working on it, both sciatica, so it seemed like maybe a disc problem in the back, and then as we started getting those things better, this SI problem was persistent. And you said to me, I don't think it's my back anymore, right? And she was right. It was the SI joint, which, like I said, it can be difficult. And you couldn't walk very good, right?
I basically kind of shuffled my feet.
Yeah, short stepping through the office, and you'd say like sometimes it would just be debilitating, right?
When I would cough or sneeze, it just felt like I was...
Yeah, coughing and sneezing.
It was just like really bad.
Yeah. Yeah, so I said, we have this amazing technology, and for $49, you can just see what it's like and see if it could help you. So she didn't even do a full treatment. Normally a low back treatment it goes by pulses. So it might be 1,000 pulses or 1,300 pulses. And you did the $49 300 diagnostic pulses because it costs money each pulse, so we want to map it out. And what did you get just from the diagnostic?
Yesterday morning I went out to walk, and this morning I actually got up here all by myself.
Yeah, you said in the treatment room, you said 50% reduction you felt like.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
I mean, that's amazing. So, and this is, we're, using the tools we have, and like I said, SI joints are tough, sacroiliac is the other name for it, but, this thing can get to places we just can't get to with our hands, and with scraping techniques and ultrasound, it can shoot into the joint, and we always say it blows out the inflammation into the lymphatic system, and then it triggers stem cells to come in and heal that tissue. So, with just a little bit of it, you had a 300 pulse treatment, which is not very much, and 50%.
I was impressed. I was willing to give anything because the pain, like I said, the adjustments were good, but it wasn't touching
That SI joint,
it was
right?
not touching it, but this, I could...
Yeah, it gets to it.
Yes.
And people spend thousands of dollars, when they have chronic SI pain, they spend thousands of dollars on shots, because that's about the only thing you can do for it. So, steroid shots, which is actually degenerative medicine, it actually degenerates the joints. So, if you know somebody with they say my sacroiliac or my SI joint's hurting, and you see them walking around like this, send them in, we can help them.